In today's video, let's talk about how to use Airbnb categories to find unique homes. So if you're trying to find listings other than homes or apartments, what you can simply do is, as of now, you can first of all search for a location and then head over to the filters tab on the top right. Now previously there was a separate option which lets you select the categories such as camping or castles, which may have a different experience. But as of now, if you scroll down further, the only option that you have inside of Standout is the Lux option, which is luxury homes with elevated designs. So this is the only option that you have inside of Airbnb as of now, and the option of categories now has been removed. So previously you could have the option of categories, which lets you select different or unique homes that you could stay in. But as of now, as I said, you can simply select the Lux option and find out the luxury stays that may be available in the location that you selected. I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe. That's pretty much all for today. I'm going to see you in the next video.